How to crop a video on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, scroll through your library and find the video you want to crop. With the video open, tap on the Edit button on the bottom. This will open the iPhone's video editing interface. At the bottom of the editing screen, you will see a toolbar with several icons. Tap on the crop icon. A white adjustable frame will now appear over your video. You can drag the corners and sides of this frame to resize it, selecting only the portion of the video you wish to keep. You can also use a pinch to zoom gesture on the video itself to reframe the shot within the crop boundaries. Once you are satisfied with the new framing, tap the Done button in the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily crop a video on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.